Hello my dear lovely students, welcome back to your classes. Okay, my dear students, today we are going to start something new. Do you know what is the new thing? I don't think do you know that what is the new thing that we are going to start today? I will say you. We are going to start our grammar portion from today. Okay, isn't it new thing? Yes, this is a new thing. So we are going to start our grammar portion. Okay. And tell me, what is the name of our first chapter? Do you know? Don't worry, I'll say you. The name of our first chapter is, look on board, sentences. What is the name of our first chapter? The name of our first chapter is sentences. See, look here. Sentences. Okay, my dear students, after listening the word sentences, what comes in your mind? Sentence means a simple sentence. It should be like a sentence should be upside down or downside up, vice versa. No, a sentence means a complete sentence which make a sense. Understood? I'll show you. The definition of sentence is the group of words which make a complete sense. Now what is the definition of sentence? The group of words which make a complete sense. Means the group of words which make complete sense means group of words which make complete sense. For example, he is Deepak name. This making any sense? No, but there are group of words. It doesn't mean group of words means it is a complete senseful sentence. A group of words should make a complete sense. See, the group of words which make a complete sense. For example, see, Deepak is clever boy. Now, what do you understand from this sentence? Deepak is clever boy means Deepak is the name of a boy and that boy is very clever. So, is this a complete sentence? Yes, it is a complete sentence. Okay, I'll show you one example. Okay, my dear students, here is the second example. Beautiful is girl Mansi. Now, here are the group of words, but does it make any sense? Means beautiful is girl Mansi. How it be a complete full sentence? It is not a complete sentence because it doesn't make any sense. मतलब ये sentence कोई सेंस बनाता है क्या? मतलब कोई सेंस नहीं है सेंटेंस में. ब्यूटीफुल इज गर्ल मानसी ऐसा कोई बोलता है क्या? ब्यूटीफुल इज गर्ल मानसी. So it is not a complete sense. So what will be the complete sentence? See now here, Mansi is a beautiful girl. Now it is a complete sentence. Why it is a complete sentence? Because it is making a sense. The group of words. See, the group of words which make sense is called sentence. Mansi is a beautiful girl. Means Mansi, the name of a girl Mansi, and she is very beautiful. So this sentence is making any sense. मतलब ये sentence make sense है कि हाँ मानसी नाम की लड़की beautiful है. बट इसके पहले जो मैं सेंटेंस लिखी थी ब्यूटीफुल इज द गर्ल मानसी, उसका कोई सेंस था नहीं. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन? द ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विच मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस. मतलब ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स विच मेक कंप्लीट सेंस. ऐसा नहीं कि ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स मिल गया और उल्टा पुल्टा वो हो गया सेंटेंस बना लिए. इट डजंट मेक कंप्लीट सेंस. सी सेंटेंस, द ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स ऑलवेज शुड मेक अ complete sense. It is known as sentences. Okay, I'll show you another example. Now see, what is the sentence? Good boy Ram is. So it is making any sense? Because here it is a group of words. यहाँ पर group of words है, लेकिन ये कोई sense बना रहा है? मतलब good boy Ram is, ये कोई sense है? Good boy Ram is? No. So the correct sentence is now see, Ram is a good boy. So here it is making a complete sense. The group of words which make complete sense is known as sentences. Understood, my dear students? Okay, so in this lesson, sentences, we will learn more about types of sentences, how many types of sentences are there. So are you ready? I hope you all are ready. So without wasting much of our time, come we will start our today's lesson, sentences. Okay? Okay, my dear students, now without wasting much of our time, come we will start our today's chapter. See your page number 48. Chapter number 1, sentences. Okay? Now read the following group of words. Now here are some words, we have to read it. A naughty Amar boy is. Now, a naughty Amar boy is. This is the first sentence. Second, horse riding I learn. Third is August day has many how. Now, these are group of words, but does it make any sense? No, it does not make any sense. So, we will see next what they are saying. Do you think the group of words above make any sense? No. As I've said you, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि ये group of words है, but इसका कोई sense नहीं है. It does not make any sense. So now read this sentence. Now we will read the sentences. Okay. First, Amar is a naughty boy. I learn horse riding. How many days has August? So does the above sentence now make some sense? Yes. See, in the first group we have read the words. Okay, but it does not make any sense. In the second sentences we read the same words, but it makes a sense. So understood what do you mean by a sentence? Now we will see definition. A sentence is a group of words placed in their proper order to make a complete sense. जैसे मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया है कि group of words which make a complete sense means group of words which make complete sense, मतलब group of words जिसका complete sense हो, जिसका कोई meaning हो, उसको बोलते हैं sentences. मतलब यहाँ पर हमने देखे group of words है, but इसका कोई sense मतलब कोई meaning है. A naughty Amar boy is? No. They are group of words, but they do not make any sense. Now next we have seen Amar is a naughty boy. Here also there are group of words, but they make a complete sense. Okay? Understood? The group of words, a sentence is a group of words placed in the proper order to make a complete sense. Sentence में group of words एक proper ऑर्डर प्रॉपर प्लेस पे रखा गया है. क्यों रखा गया है? क्योंकि वो एक कंप्लीट सेंस हो, इसलिए. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी विल सी. नाउ वी हैव टू रिमेंबर सम थिंग्स टू मेक अ सेंटेंस. अ सेंटेंस बिगिंस विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर. नाउ एज यू कैन सी, अ सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विथ अ कैपिटल letter. It does not begins with a small letter. See here, a sentence हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर्स मीन्स बड़े लेटर्स में स्टार्ट होता है. जब भी सेंटेंस को स्टार्ट करना हो स्मॉल लेटर से कभी स्टार्ट नहीं करते. ओके. इट एंड्स विथ अ फुल स्टॉप और अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. सेंटेंस हमेशा कैसे एंड होता है? फुल स्टॉप से. सेंटेंस कभी क्वेश्चन मार्क से स्टॉप एंड नहीं होता है. ओके. सेंटेंस हमेशा फुल स्टॉप से एंड होता है. और साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन, मतलब फुल स्टॉप या एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन से ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट यानी कि खत्म होता है. ओके. Understood? Now we will turn the page. Now we will see types of sentences. मतलब पहले हमने देख लिया कि सेंटेंस किसको बोलते हैं, मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. मतलब सेंटेंसेस के कितने टाइप्स रहते हैं. ओके, देयर आर 4 काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर देयर? देयर आर 4 काइंड्स ऑफ sentences. Now what are that 4 kinds? We will see. First is affirmative sentence or statement. Now affirmative sentence. What do you mean by affirmative sentence? We will see. This is a simple statement. It simply provides some information or states a fact. This sentence ends with a full stop. Means affirmative sentence is a sentence which makes a simple statement. मतलब affirmative sentence एक ऐसा sentence है जो एक simple statement रहता है. For example, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. So it is an affirmative statement. मतलब I am going to Delhi tomorrow means it is like a statement. ये एक statement की तरह की है कि हाँ कल मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. So it is known as affirmative sentence. Now second we will see interrogative sentence. अब interrogative sentence किसको बोलते हैं? Interrogative sentence हमेशा उसको बोलते हैं जो सामने से क्वेश्चन करता है. और क्वेश्चन इंट्रोगेटिव. इंट्रो मीन्स जैसे पुलिस बुलाती है इंट्रोगेशन के लिए, तो उसको बोलते हैं ना इंट्रोगेशन. इसलिए इंट्रोगेटिव मीन्स टू आस्क क्वेश्चन. This sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. See, first only I have said you interrogative sentence means the sentence makes a question and it always ends with a question mark. For example, have you found the bag? Okay, isn't it a question? Yes, it is a question. Have you found the bag? Okay, this is known as interrogative question. Now third is imperative sentences. Now what do you mean by imperative sentences? These sentences give an order or make a request. अब imperative sentence का मतलब क्या होता है? imperative sentence का मतलब होता है कि किसी को ऑर्डर करना या किसी को रिक्वेस्ट करना. जैसे I don't have any pencil to write. Okay, so I request you to please give me pencil. Okay, ये request हो गया. It also ends with a full stop. मतलब interrogative sentence भी किससे end होता है? Full stop से. For example, we will see, please do your work properly. Please, so they are requesting, please do your work properly. So it is given here already. To give an order or to make a request is known as imperative sentence. मतलब किसी को order देना या request करना उसको बोलते हैं imperative sentence. And this sentence end with a full stop. Okay, now shut the window now. First example we have seen, please do your work properly means in first sentence they are requesting, but in second sentence shut the window now means they are giving an order that shut the window. Okay, understood? I hope you all have understood the imperative sentence. The last is exclamatory sentence. Now what do you mean by exclamatory sentences? These sentences express a strong feeling. Such a sentence is called an exclamatory sentence. अब exclamatory sentence का मतलब क्या होता है कि अपन जो feeling express, जो strong feeling express करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence may begin with an interjection but it ends with an exclamation mark. ये जो exclamation mark है, exclamatory sentence हमेशा exclamation mark से end होता है. वो question mark से नहीं, full stop से नहीं, सिर्फ exclamation mark से ही end होता है. क्या end होता है? Exclamatory sentences. Now we will see the examples of exclamatory sentence. Wow, what a beautiful the doll is. Means wow, the beautiful is the doll means you are showing your feeling that wow, the doll is very beautiful. Okay, So to show or to express your feeling is known as exclamatory sentences. So my dear students, what you have learned in this today's lesson? We have learned that a group of words makes a complete sentence is known as sentences. Okay, and how many types of sentences you have learned in this lesson? We have learned 4 types of sentences. And what are they? See, first one is affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences means affirmative sentence makes a complete statement and it ends with a full stop is known as affirmative sentences. Okay, for example, I am going to Nagpur tomorrow. It is affirmative sentence. And second one is interrogative sentence. See, I've said you before also, what do you mean by interrogative? Intro means interrogation, like police is doing the interrogation of thieves. Okay, it is known as interrogation. Interrogation means asking question and it always ends with a question mark is known as interrogative sentences. Now for third is imperative sentence. Now what do you mean by imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means to give order or to request someone is known as imperative sentences. For example, I am not having a colored paper to make craft. So I will request, please give me a color paper. So what you are doing? You are requesting. So it is known as imperative sentence. Imperative समझ में आया? Request करना या order करना. And the last is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means to express your feelings. Means wow, this dress is very beautiful. So what you are doing? What you are saying? Wow means you are expressing your feelings. So it is known as exclamatory sentences. I hope my dear students you all have understood the lesson. If you have any doubt, any question regarding to the lesson, you can ask me. So it's the time to take leave. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, be happy, don't trouble your parents. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.